Hey guys, so today's bag tour is of this Vintage Coach Willis bag. The style number was 9927 and it was made in China in the year 2004. And what's so unique about this specific Willis bag is that it's in a pretty rare, in my opinion, colorway. It's in navy blue with nickel hardware. So the hardware is this nice gray or silver color and the bag itself is a dark navy blue. I haven't ever seen this color combination other than this specific bag, so I would say it's probably pretty rare. And what's also great about this bag is it's still in new with tags condition. So obviously the bag wasn't used and it was just nicely preserved over all these years since it was made in 2004. It also comes with this little Coach booklet with information on Coach as a brand. This came with bags when they were sold in store, and it also has some tissue paper still inside, so it was just really nicely stored and preserved over the years, it looks like. So the Willis bag comes with a detachable and adjustable strap. So this is a crossbody strap, so you could wear the bag as a crossbody. Here's where you could adjust the strap here. It's got this buckle with the little buckle holes. It's got 5 buckle holes, so those 5 different settings. And then it's also got these hardware pieces up top where you would attach the strap. So that's how you could easily attach the strap. And then you could also carry it by this top handle. I love a top handle bag. I always mention that in my videos. I personally like to carry top handle bags just because it makes it so much easier to handle the bag when you're not actually wearing it, or to handle it when you want to put the bag on your shoulder or take it off. So I love a top handle bag. Then of course it also comes with the matching 2-sided hang tag. So it says Coach there on the hang tag. Hopefully you can see that well. And then I'll go ahead and show you the exterior of the bag again. Of course, here's the front. Here's the turn lock closure. That's how we open and close the bag. Here's the side view. It's got a dowel up here on the top. And then here's what the back looks like. And it's got a nice deep slip pocket here along the back of the bag. I would probably use this for my phone. I think it would be a great place to store your phone. And then when we open it, here's what it looks like under the front flap. It's also got another slip pocket that's pretty large here. And then here's the interior of the bag. I would say this is more of a medium to large size bag in my opinion. And then it's also got a zip pocket here on the interior. And the Creed is stamped back there. I'll insert a photo since it's kind of hard to zoom in and show it well in video. So that is the beautiful Vintage Coach Willis bag in navy blue and nickel hardware. And this bag is available now in our online store. So if you wanted to acquire this bag, the link will be below for you to check out, as well as links to follow us on social media and to also join our email list to stay up to date with all the bags as we post them in our online store. But otherwise, thanks for watching and take care.